Glowing skin never goes out of the trend. In fact, the glow on your skin is a confidence booster. The more you pamper and take care of your skin, the better you will feel about yourself as well. Hey, wait, that doesn't mean you need to spend a lot of money on your skin. You just need to give a visit to the kitchen. And there you will get all your pampering ingredients. Hi, this is Shifali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to guide you with the skin pampering sessions to get healthy and glowing skin. In this video, I'll be telling about 3 easy DIY face masks that will help you to keep your skin beautiful. But before starting, if you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you remain updated for many such remedies in the future. So, let's get started.
The first among the beautifying masks is coffee and honey mask. You have to take half teaspoon of coffee, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of curd. Mix all of them and apply on clean face. Coffee minimizes fine lines, reverses damage caused by UV rays and lightens acne, blemishes, dark skin and pigmentation. Honey is a great natural exfoliator. It also contains gluconic acid and other alpha hydroxy acids, which gently remove dead skin cells and brighten your skin complexion. Apply and leave it on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse your face with lukewarm water. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for getting brighter skin. Our next face mask is turmeric and lemon face brightening mask. For preparing this, take 1 teaspoon besan or gram flour, 1 spoonful of turmeric and half of a lemon juice. Mix all of these ingredients together to make a thick paste. The antioxidant component of turmeric combined with the skin brightening properties of vitamin C from the lemon makes this mask a potent mixture, leaving your face smooth, bright and healthy. Gram flour easily removes the tan and offers instantly brightened skin. It also helps in treating acne and its scars. Apply for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off. Use it once a week for brighter and acne-free skin. Your face might become a bit yellowish after the removal of this mask. But don't worry, the yellowness will shed away after 3 to 4 washes. Our last face mask is extremely effective in anti-aging, if only you resist your temptation to eat it. Mix 1 spoonful of cocoa powder with 1 teaspoon of fresh cream and half teaspoon of honey. Make a thick paste and then apply evenly on clean skin. Chocolate mask is very effective as it fights aging, removes dead skin cells and rejuvenates your skin, making it look fresh and healthy. Fresh cream is a great moisturizer for your skin. And honey, as mentioned, is a great exfoliator. Keep it for around 20 minutes and wash your face. Wipe your face with a towel and feel the freshness and the glow.
After using these face masks, use a toner or some rose water to get even fresher look. You can try these masks 2 times a week and keep your skin healthy, bright, glowing and beautiful. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up. Also, Share this video with the ones you care about so that they too can have healthy and glowing skin. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!